Villagers are up in arms accusing government officials in Hwange district of unfair distribution of food aid and also allegedly doling out rotten maize in March this year. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before I go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. The villagers said during interviews recently that they had not received food aid for the past 3 months before they received the rotten maize. They also revealed that the situation in the drought-hit district had become dire, pleading with the government to assist them until the next harvest. In an interview, a villager, KUTYA Chuma, called on the government to investigate how they ended up receiving rotten maize. After 3 months of not getting food aid because of logistics and transport problems, as we were told last month, we received rotten maize. There is serious mistreatment of villagers from this region, she said. In today's news, government distributes rotten maize in Hwange. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.